Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, Joyeux Noël, à tout le monde. Thank you guys for your patience. I know it's been a while since uh, you all have been waiting and asking for this video. So here it is. No more wait. This is my Christmas present for you all this year. And stay tuned because I have a lot more coming for 2020. So let's go ahead and get started with Haitian Creole Lesson 4, Part 2. So in Part 2, I'm going to go ahead and continue with the body parts. Pati ko, parts 2 is Pati ko 2. Langue, tongue. Langue, tongue. Langue. Gorge, throat. Gorge, throat. Gorge. Misc, muscle. Misc, muscle. Misc. Zo, bone. Zo, bone. Zo, bone. Do, backside. Do, backside. Do. Po, skin. Po, skin. Po. Z, Paul, shoulder. Z, Paul, shoulder. Z, Paul. Fi, gi, face. Fi, gi, face. Figi. Che, ve, hair. Che, ve, hair. Cheve, rin or senti, waist. Rin or senti, waist. Rin or senti, waist. Hush or ush, hips. Hush, ush, hips. Jam, legs. Jam, legs. Jam. Genou, knees. Genou, knees. Genou, knees. Pied, feet. Pied, feet. Pied. Zorteil, toes. Zorteil, toes. Zorteil. Corps, body. Corps, body. Corps. Again, here's a quick review of the verb tenses. I'm just going to quickly go over them. Ap is for the present. Te is past simple. Te, ap, or tap is past continuous. Pral is used in front of verb for future. I've gone over this before. In case this is your first video, I highly recommend that you go back to see the previous videos where I go into the use of these in more details. New verbs that we're going to introduce to use in practice sentences at the end of this lesson. Ka, se, to break. Ka, se, to break. Ka, se, to break. Fra, pe, to hit. Fra, pe, to hit. Frapper, fait mal, to hurt. Fait mal, to hurt. Fait mal. Gros, big. Gros, big. Gros. Court, short. Court, short. Court, long, long. Long, long. Long. And now we're going to start with or practice sentences to end our lesson as I usually do. Li gen goj fe mal. He or she has throat pain. Li gen goj fe mal. He or she has throat pain. Li gen goj fe mal. Mwen kase yon zo. I broke a bone. Mwen kase yon zo. I broke a bone. Mwen kase yon zo. Do mwen ap fe mwen mal. My back is hurting. Do mwen ap fe mwen mal. My back is hurting. Do mwen ap fe mwen mal. Li gen gwo pied. His or her feet are big. Or he or she have big feet. Li gen gwo pied. His or her feet are big. Or he or she has big feet. Li gen gwo pied. Cheve li koute. Her or his hair are short. Cheve li koute. Her or his hair are short. Cheve li koute. Jam mwen long. My legs are long, or I have long legs. Jam mwen long. My legs are long, or I have long legs. Jam mwen long. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes today's lesson. I hope you guys learn a lot and add a lot more to your Haitian Creole vocabulary. Thank you again for your support. I wish each and every one of you all a Merry Christmas.